The easiest trick to remove blackhead and get a glowing face is here. Everyone wants to look a bit beautiful. But sometimes we hold ourselves back because maybe it doesn't always fit our budget. But what if I tell you that not all beauty tips demand your purse to empty out? This is probably one of the best cleansing natural techniques ever, and it is super cheap. Anyone, anywhere can use this to clean your face up without any pain at all. All you need is a lemon cut in 2 halves, B warm water, C face cloth, D table salt. Use this and trust me, you will never have to buy pore strips again. And it not only clears your pores, it also gives your face a sparkling and fresh look. You can repeat this process, but only after a substantial amount of time, say 2 weeks. Watch the story and enjoy. Step 1. Damp your face. Take the warm cloth and damp your face with it to open up your pores a bit. This helps the scrub to clean better and easier. Step 2. Squeeze the lemon. Take 1/2 of the lemon and squeeze it to remove all the juice from it. Step 3. Put salt on the lemon. Sprinkle approximately 1 tablespoon of salt on the lemon skin and then take the other half of the lemon and squeeze its juice on the first one. Step 4. Wipe off the scrub. Using a warm cloth, wipe off the scrub from your face properly. Get the glow. Now you're ready for anything. This is just the perfect natural scrub every girl has been looking for. And it is easy on your pockets too. Tips: you can use lemon juice instead of fresh lemons. You can use white or brown granulated sugar instead of salt. Avoid using every day, may cause irritation.